Picture this. It's November 1st. Your holiday campaign feels somehow both late and early. Your team's scrambling, your inbox is full of questions, and your competitors? They've already launched round 2 of promos. Holiday marketing at the enterprise level isn't just about Black Friday. It's about navigating an entire season of sales with strategy, timing, and smart data. At Fuse 7, we help big brands stop reacting and start owning their holiday roadmap. Let's talk about how to do it right. First, data isn't just helpful, it's the foundation. The most successful brands are measuring KPIs constantly and using real-time insights to pivot mid-campaign, not just looking at final reports. Before launching anything, gather your last 3 to 5 years of holiday data. Segment it by product, region, and channel. This becomes your baseline, not a guess, not a benchmark, but your actual history. Then, add external data. Adobe predicts over $250 billion in online holiday sales this year, up 5% from last year. That rise should be reflected in your expectations. And don't forget first-party data. Your CRM and loyalty programs are gold mines. Segment by behavior, like early shoppers or high spenders, and tailor your offers. Next, timing. If you're waiting until Thanksgiving, you're already behind. In 2025, the smart move is to launch in October. This gives you space to test creative, adjust, spend, and actually learn before Cyber Week hits. Plan your campaign in phases: early bird, peak push, and last-minute rescue. Use this structure to keep your energy and messaging sharp all season long. And don't forget about your inventory and creative sync. There's nothing worse than running out of your bestseller mid-promo. Pair your inventory timing with creative refreshes every 7 to 10 days to avoid fatigue. Let's talk trends. Shoppers aren't just looking for discounts. They want value. Your campaign should highlight why your product matters: durability, uniqueness, impact, not just markdowns. Offer bundles, limited editions, and experience-based promos. Position your product as meaningful, not just cheap. AI tools are also part of the playbook now. They're not just for content. They help with budget allocation and real-time adjustments. Use AI to move faster, but keep your human strategy in place. It's not about replacing your team, it's about supercharging them. Tech. Your message needs to travel everywhere. Streaming, mobile, desktop, in-store. It's all one experience now. 64% of shoppers jump between devices during their holiday shopping. So your brand needs to be consistent across all of them. And don't forget flexible payments. Buy now, pay later is still growing. And for customers on the fence, offering that option can make the sale. Now let's address a few challenges we hear all the time. Our team is too small for this scale. That's where we come in. Fuse 7 handles the full campaign from data to delivery, so your team can stay focused. We don't want to lose margin on deep discounts. Use tiered offers. Reward mid-tier buyers with the big promos, and use loyalty and upsells to manage your margins. We don't trust forecasts. Good. Use them as a guide, but combine them with live data so you can pivot fast when it counts. Here's your action plan. Audit past performance. Launch early. Segment wisely. Set up dashboards. Refresh creative. Use AI for testing. Align inventory. Feature flexible payments. Burst big when it counts. And always review after. Enterprise holiday marketing doesn't have to feel chaotic. At Fuse 7, we bring everything under one roof: strategy, creative, media, and insights, so you can scale smarter. Let's build a plan that drives performance, not just panic. Reach out to Fuse 7 and let's make this your strongest holiday season yet.